Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy lettuce salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 head of fresh lettuce, which we'll wash and dry carefully. Then, select your favorite salad additions like crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers. Finally, make sure you have your dressing components on hand, like a good quality olive oil and a tangy vinegar. This simple preparation ensures a quick and tasty meal. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get to the preparation. Start by tearing or chopping your clean lettuce into pieces that are easy to eat. Next, take your cucumber and slice it into thin rounds or half moons. Then, dice your tomatoes and bell pepper into small, consistent pieces. Uniformly cut vegetables ensure every bite of your salad is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. This step is crucial for a great texture. With all your vegetables prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Place your torn lettuce, sliced cucumbers, diced tomatoes, and bell peppers into a large mixing bowl. For the dressing, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of your preferred vinegar. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Pour the dressing over the vegetables and gently toss until everything is evenly coated. Serve immediately for the best freshness. Your easy lettuce salad is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dish can be served as a refreshing side or a light, healthy main course. For a more substantial meal, consider adding some grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or chickpeas. It's a fantastic way to get your daily dose of fresh vegetables. Remember to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.